Hello guys! I've decided to help the people that are watching GSM Didi YouTube channel to unlock free their phones. If your phone is, and you are the first who comment at this video with your phone email and optional with your mail address, then you are the lucky one who will get the unlock code free from me. If you're not the first, you can subscribe and activate notifications so you can watch my another videos and to get another chance to be the first if I will nominate your phone model again. When this video will make 500 views, I will post another video with another phone model. Another useful information you will find in description. I hope you'll like my idea and find it useful. Good luck!